Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all. It has been a day and we have a lot to talk about, including some more hidden penny items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now I cannot even believe that it is only Tuesday, just simply because I have already uploaded a ton of videos. We have new coupons, we have new glitches, new deals, new freebies. We have the biggest penny list of the year all going on right now at Dollar General. So like I said, I've already uploaded all of these videos with all the information. If you've missed anything, make sure that you go back and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, before we talk about specific penny items, I kind of want to tell you all about my day just a little bit, because it's been absolutely crazy. So first thing this morning, I woke up, I was at the Dollar General when the doors opened. I was the first one in the door. And honestly, guys, I was thinking, you know what, they've probably pulled most of it, because at this specific store, they had put all of the Halloween items in 2 buggies right up front by the register. And they also had a table right up front by the register full of Green Dot and Swim and Summer toys. And I thought, well, for sure they will pull those items. But I knew that I had kind of been scoping it out, and I knew that I had seen some other items throughout the store that I could go in and quickly grab. Well, I walk in and I swear, I wish I was recording so bad, because nothing had been touched. There were 2 buggies completely full of Halloween stuff, the entire table still full, an entire box full of seed packets, plus on top of that they had 2 of the gray totes completely full of Swim and Summer floaties and rings and balls. Oh my gosh, y'all. I couldn't believe it. And on top of that, I was the only penny shopper there. I could not believe it. I still can't believe it. The employees had no idea what was going on. So in my mind, I'm just thinking, OMG, you have to move now, girl. So I ran in. I did not end up taking everything. I kind of just ran in, grabbed both buggies that were already jam-packed full of stuff, plus the 2 totes. I put everything together and kind of scooted it all down at the party supply aisle. And I was like, you know what? This is mine. Laid claim to it. We're going to go through that later. And then I grabbed an empty buggy and kind of started going through things to see exactly what I wanted to keep and what I wanted to leave for somebody else. Because by the time I had already went through a lot of this stuff, another penny shopper eventually did show up. So she ended up loading up as well. But the story doesn't end there, because I went through self-checkout. So here I go. I'm ringing up everything. It's going smoothly. Everything's ringing up correctly. And I kind of get into a groove. Hey, I've got 2 buggies full of stuff to get through. We have got to move this along. So there I go. Scan, 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 scan. And I didn't realize it, but the self-checkout had fallen behind. So once I got done scanning everything, the register was still taking its dear sweet time. It kind of started glitching out just a little bit, and one of the employees started getting very, very aggravated and started to take it out on me. Let's just say she definitely had a few choice words for me. Now, I was kind of just laughing it off, because I knew that it was going to work out one way or another. But then another employee came up to the front. This second employee was getting aggravated with the first employee, because the first employee was not speaking very nicely to everybody else, and it was really out of line. And had it been anybody else but me, she may not have gotten away with that. You know, there may have been some repercussions for the things that she was saying. But with me, I've known her for a very long time, so I can kind of brush things like that off. And in the end, after I paid for everything and everything was fine, we all got a good laugh out of it. So it worked out great, but today was absolutely crazy. I ended up going back to that same store 2 more times, and I found penny items both times. So like I said, it has been absolutely crazy. Now, I have not pulled out my entire haul. It is all still packed up in the van right now, but I did pull out a few items that I was surprised to find today. And then also we have a crazy couponer who sent us in some pictures, and I wanted to share those with y'all as well. So let's talk about what's been happening today with this huge penny list. So let's go over just a few things that I've noticed today, either out shopping or the things that I've been seeing posted online over on Instagram. Number one, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. This is a picture that I took today, and this is right under the NCI tables. And we've got swim and summer toys and Halloween items right there in plain sight. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Number two, a lot of the hidden penny items are Halloween home decor items. Now, I did not have time to put together a full Halloween visual video with the UPCs and all of that, but I did post a YouTube short. In fact, I have posted several YouTube shorts over the last couple of days. So if you want to go and check those out, all you have to do is click on my name right down below this video. That's going to take you to my home page. And then from there, you can click on videos, shorts, playlist, the community tab, about me section, all of the things. So if y'all need to pause this video, take screenshots, do whatever you need to do, study up on these pictures, really look at them closely, because a lot of the items are included. They are a penny right now, and a lot of people aren't realizing that they are a penny. We've got the black LED battery powered candles. We also have some decorative bags and baskets. We have some lanterns that we're going to talk about here in just a second. Here's a few items that I found today. We have the Halloween ribbon. I found this stuff back in the regular floral section. We also have a couple of candles that you want to be on the lookout for. Here we have this black Halloween candle. It is candy corn marshmallow scent. And then we also have the laboratory notes. Also, be on the lookout for the Halloween food items, such as the pumpkin spice Oreo cookies and the Halloween Rice Krispie treats. Now, huge shout out and thank you to an amazing crazy couponer, Annette, who sent in several pictures, including these little Halloween lanterns right here. And the UPC code is on your screen. Now, I also found several different types of lights today. Here we have the battery operated Halloween lights. I also found the brown cord lights 50 count, and then I found the fashion wire lights 50 count. Also, don't forget to check your food storage sections. I found these at every store that I went to today. Tons of them were out there. Next up, green dot. Here's a few items that I did not expect to find that I had forgotten all about. So here we have those little scented satchels. We also have the plastic cups, and I did find a green dot candle. This one is in fact ringing up for 1 penny. Not all of them are, but this one is. Now, last but not least, this is a huge score. And again, huge shout out and thank you to Annette for sending in these pictures. Here we have the decorative wall shelves, normally $20, but right now at Dollar General, they are just 1 penny. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned, because I have another video coming up for you all first thing in the morning. So before you go, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching.